The Free Space Path Loss Interactive Calculator helps you determine signal loss in wireless communication systems. This calculator has 6 calculation modes: calculate path loss, calculate maximum distance, calculate frequency from path loss, calculate received power, calculate required TX power, and calculate link margin. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Path Loss mode. The input fields are frequency in megahertz, distance in kilometers, path loss in dB, TX power in dBm, TX antenna gain in dBi, RX antenna gain in dBi, RX power in dBm, and RX sensitivity in dBm. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 2400 MHz for frequency, 1 km for distance, 100 dB for path loss, 20 dBm for TX power, 2.15 dBi for both TX and RX antenna gains, and 10 dBm for both RX power and RX sensitivity. After clicking Calculate, the results show free space path loss is 100.05 dB. The wavelength is 124.9135 meters at our 2.4 GHz frequency. The distance converts to 1,000 meters. The Fraunhofer distance for a 1 meter antenna is 0.02 meters, and the status confirms the distance is in the far field region, making the FSPL calculation valid. This tool streamlines RF link budget calculations for wireless system design. Find the link in the description below.